Hi everybody, this is MANJUNATHA TK working as Assistant Professor in ANANYA Institute of Commerce and Management. Today I am going to explain about market structure. Before that, we should know the meaning of market. Market is a place where buyers and sellers meet and transact each other. So they are going to sell, the buyers are going to buy goods and sellers are going to sell the goods. But nowadays we are seeing different kind of markets where so we can buy goods and services through online only. So that's why in the modern marketing, the market is nothing but it is a place as well also a space, right? So here the market is divided on the basis of so many criteria. So that is called as the market segmentation. But here I am going to explain is how the market is divided on the basis of competition, right? So according to the competition, market is divided as the one is the perfect competition and second one is imperfect competition. So perfect competition is there are existence of large number of buyers and sellers. They are selling homogeneous products at a similar or single price. Here we can see the three terms, the large number of buyers and sellers, second thing is homogeneous products, and third thing is single price. So let us discuss the features of perfect competition. First feature is the existence of large number of buyers and sellers. So obviously there are n number of different kinds of companies will be there, the large number of customers will be there. Here different companies are going to sell the similar kind of products. Here we have to observe is all the sellers are not price makers, they are all price takers. Because in the perfect competition, the small companies are going to exist in the market and large number of customers are going to buy a similar kind of products and services. So let's move on to the second feature of perfect competition. The second is homogeneous products. So as I said earlier, homogeneous products is nothing but the same kind of products, the all different kind of sellers are going to sell. The similar kind of products, what it includes means the similar kind of size, shape, color, quality, quantity, etc. So these kind of products, all the different kinds of sellers are going to sell. Next feature of perfect competition is free entry and exit. So here because the first feature, as I said, there are large number of sellers are there. Anybody can enter into the market, anybody can exit out of the market. There is no restrictions of entering and exit, right? Next a feature is perfect knowledge and market condition. So here seller also is having the perfect knowledge of market condition, as well also the buyer is also having the perfect knowledge about the market condition. What are the knowledge, what kind of knowledge the seller is having? He is having what kind of customer taste and preferences, what kind of demand is going to happen in the future days. Here the buyer, what kind of knowledge he is going to have is, he is going to have or the pricing strategy which is going to used by the sellers, and what kind of product, the quality of the product, the quantity of the product regarding this. So the buyer definitely have a perfect knowledge about the market conditions. So this is all about the perfect knowledge of the market. The next feature is perfect mobility of factors of production. So here I am going to take one example for this. Perfect mobility of factors of production is the one example which I am going to give is labor. So present scenario is also like that, where one labor is going to move to other company because other company is going to give more salary. When you are going to get more salary, definitely you are going to move from one company to another company, because in the perfect competition we are going to see n number of competitors are there, n number of producers are there. So wherever it is very accompanied and very much suitable to for the potential of the particular employee, definitely that employee is going to move from one company to other company. That is called as the perfect mobility of factors of production. The next feature is there is no transportation cost in the perfect competition. So why there is no transportation cost? As I said earlier, the one thing, the price is similar, The single price is going to given by the all the marketers. So if we add transportation cost to the product, definitely it is very difficult for the marketers because the fluctuations in the pricing. So everybody is going to fix different pricing. That's why the assumptions in the perfect competition is there should be no transportation cost is going to be involved in the selling activity or fixing the price of the product, right? So next feature is existence of single and uniform price. So in the previous points also I have explained this, the existence of single and uniform pricing. So price is going to be determined by the market conditions, how the demand is, how the supply is. So here no other people are going to, or nothing but no other sellers are going to fix the price in the perfect competition, right? Next feature is government non-interventions. Here government is going to give complete freedom to the sellers. They are not going to give or pose any subsidies and rationing control. They are not going to control over any raw material supplying. So this kind of freedom which is given by the government to the sellers. So definitely it motivates the sellers to sell goods and services more and more. Next and the last one is full and unrestricted competition. So in the beginning only I said that there is another kind of market structure is there, monopoly, oligopoly, duopoly, and so here perfect perfect competition there are large number of sellers and buyers are there, and in the imperfect competition so we can see only duopoly, oligopoly. This is controlled by the persons, few person or single person. Here it is uncontrollable. So anybody can enter, anybody can exit. So by this I am going to conclude perfect competition is actually one of the best thing, but nowadays we are not seeing this kind of competition. So we are the competition is very much hectic nowadays. They are fixing the prices, they are fixing the prices of the products their own. The advertisement cost is more, the transportation cost is more. So perfect competition is actually no more exists. Thank you.